Morning, student. Today we will discuss chapter number 6, linear inequality. So, first of all, discuss graph of the solution of the number line, and after discuss some problem sum. So, first of all, discuss graph of the solution of the number line. So, one example is present. Example number 5. Solve 7x plus 3 less than 5x plus 9. Our question is solve this equation and after how to represent in the number line. So first of all, solve this equation. X term written in left side and constant term written in right side. So 7x minus 5x less than 9 minus 3. Now 7x minus 5x, that means 2x, less than 9 minus 3, that means 6. Therefore x less than 6 divided by 2. Therefore x less than 3. Now arrow is present in left side, but here how to represent in number line. So here first of all, draw one number line. Here we can written minus infinitive position and here written plus infinitive position. Now position of 3 is present here. So here we can written position of 3. Now here strictly less than form is present. Strictly less than form is present. That means here we can draw this whole circle. Remember. And less than equality form is present, so here we can written dark circle. A strictly less than form is present, that's why here we can written whole of this circle. Now arrow is present in left side. Okay, so our here we can draw shaded portion. That means dark of this line. So our answer is like this way. We can represent graphically like this way. Next question. Question number exercise 6.1. Question number 19. Again similar type of question is asked. Solve the inequality and show the graph in the solution in the case of number line. So first of all, here equation is present. 3 into bracket 1 minus x less than 2 into bracket x plus 4. Now after open this bracket, so therefore 3 minus 3x less than 2x plus 4 to 8. Now x term written one side and remaining constant term written another side. So minus 3x minus 2x less than 8 minus 3. Therefore minus 3x minus 2x, that means minus 5x less than 8 minus 3, that means 5. Now here outside minus sign is present, x is our variable and outside minus sign is present. So remove this minus sign, so multiply minus in both the side and here less in place of written greater than form. So 5x greater minus 5. Now divide by these terms, so therefore x greater minus 5 divided by 5, that means x greater minus 1. Now arrow is going from the right side. So here written minus infinitive, here written infinitive. Now in this number line, in any place we can written minus 1. Now here strictly greater form is present, that's why here draw whole of the circle. Now written here minus 1 and arrow is going from the right side, so that's why here we can written dark part of this line. Clear? Next question, question number 20. x upon 2 greater than equal to 5x minus 2 upon 3 minus in bracket 7x minus 3 upon 5. So now here we can take LCM of this term. So therefore x upon 2 greater than equal to, now here open take LCM, so 5 3 are 15. Now 5 multiply in this bracket and 3 multiply in second bracket. So 5 into bracket 5x minus 2 minus 3 into bracket 7x minus 3. Therefore x by 2 greater than equal to, now here open this bracket, so 5 into 5 that means 25x minus 5 2 are 10 minus 7 3 are 21x plus 3 3 are 9 upon 15. So therefore x by 2 greater than equal to 25x minus 21x, that means here we can return 4x minus 1 upon 15. Now 15 multiply with x and 2 multiply with 4x minus 1. So therefore 15x greater than equal to 2 into bracket 4x minus 1. Now after open this bracket, so therefore 15x greater than equal to 4 2 is 8x minus 2. 8x written left side. So therefore 15x minus 8x greater than equal to minus 2. Therefore 15x minus 8x, that means here written 7x greater than equal to minus 2. So x greater than equal to minus 2 by 7. Now minus 2 by 7 how can be represented? So draw number line, here written minus infinity and here written infinity. Now arrow is going from right side, so our shaded portion is present in right side. Now minus 2 by 7 we can return in any place in number line. So here we can return minus 2 by 7. But see here greater than equality form is present, and greater than equality form is present, that's why here we can return dark of this circle. So now this circle written in dark form. Now after arrow is going from right side, so our shaded part, our dark part, we can represent in this side. So our final answer is like this. Okay. Now after discuss some problem sum, so example number 7. Example numbers. Now here question is asked, the marks obtained by the student of class 11 in first and second terminal examination are 62 and 48. So here mark is given first terminal examination and second terminal examination, mark is given 62 and 48. The minimum mark he should get in the annual examination. So annual examination mark is not given. To have the average at least 60 marks. At least 60 marks, that means 60 or more than 60. So first of all here two data is present. Mark of first terminal exam and second terminal exam is given, and the annual examination mark is not given but average is given. So first of all we can consider, suppose annual examination mark is x. So here we can return, let x obtain marks, otherwise let x be the marks obtained in annual examination, right? Therefore, here we can return x. Okay, first terminal mark is 62, so 62 plus 48 plus x. Now here total 3 examination is present, first, second and annual. So 3 examination present, that means here average is present, so written here denominator term 3, and here condition is present, an average of at least 60 mark. At least that means 60 or more than 60. So here we can written greater than equal to 60. Now after add both these numbers, so x plus 6 plus 62 plus 48, that means 110 greater than equal to 60 into 3, that means 180. Now 110 written in opposite side, so therefore x greater than equal to 180 minus 110, therefore x greater than equal to 70. So our final answer we can return the mark, the student must obtain minimum 70 marks in the annual examination. Now next question, example number 8. Example number 8. Find all pair of consecutive odd natural number. Consecutive, that means sequence. Now odd natural number, that means here present odd number means 1, 3, 5, all number are odd number. So odd natural number is present, both of which are larger than 10, such that their sum is less than 40. So first of all our question is here find all pair. Pair, that means two numbers, right? Pair means two number, and consecutive odd natural numbers. So we can consider one smaller number is x and another number is x plus 2. Suppose odd in place of even number is, suppose asking in our question, means odd number in place of suppose even natural number is here asking. So again we can consider same pair. Smallest number is x and another number is x plus 2. So here we can consider, let first of all let x be the smaller of two consecutive odd natural number and another number we can consider x plus 2 and another number is x plus 2. Now here condition is present, both of which larger than 10, both of which larger than 10, that means here we can return x greater 10. This equation say what? And such that their sum is less than 40. Their sum is, that means x plus 2, x plus 2 less than 40. Now simplify this term, x plus x, that means 2x plus 2 less than 40. So 2x less than 38, right? 40 minus 2, that means 38. So 2x, okay, x less than 38 divided by 2. So x less than 19. This results in equation number 2. Now our from 1 and 2, from 1 and 2, 10 less than x less than 90. But our question is find out the pair of odd and natural number in two consecutive terms. So in between 10 and 19, one pair we can consider odd number is 11. That means here we can written like this. Our two number is, one number is x and another number is x plus 2. Now here we can consider one number is 11, odd number between 10 and 19. So another number 11 plus 2, that means 13. Second number is 13. So 13 plus 2, that means 15. 15, so 17. 17, so 19. Now see here, position of, okay. Now next odd number is 19 and here strictly less than form is present. That's why we cannot consider 19. So our order pair is 11, 13, 13, 15, 15, 17 and 17, 19. Clear?